Nordic Hamstring Curl. The Nordic Hamstring Curl involves kneeling on a pad and lowering under control while the ankles are held in place by a partner, a loaded barbell, or any other immovable object. The Nordic Hamstring Curl is a highly effective hamstring exercise. It can help prevent hamstring injuries due to the eccentric emphasis, which shifts the hamstring's maximum force potential to larger muscle lengths. The target muscle is the hamstrings, colored red. The gastrocnemius assist in knee flexion. Most trainees lower their bodies under control during the initial half of the movement, but this is usually followed by a rapid descent to the floor. With the band assisted, we can get a full activation under a full range of motion. Ankle plantar flexion versus dorsiflexion. The biarticulate gastrocnemius muscle enters active insufficiency when knee flexion is completed. If the ankles are more plantar flexed, hamstrings become more active. Dorsiflexion in the ankle reduces active insufficiency of the gastrocnemius and allows it to assist in knee flexion.